Bam.
I actually said both of you guys. It was a general.
Right beforehand, you fucking said, sir.
Sir? Okay.
Motherfucker.
Sorry.
F you, mate.
Sorry.
F you. What the f are you doing?
So I crashed.
What do you mean you crashed? I just hit my head.
Sorry.
No, stay there. I'll call the police.
Okay.
Don't go anywhere. Don't
I'm
go
not.
anywhere.
I'm not.
Don't go anywhere.
I'm not. I'm sitting on my
Don't
back.
go anywhere. Don't go anywhere.
Okay. Look, I'm getting off.
Is it bleeding?
No.
Yeah, don't go anywhere.
Okay, go on, get your phone.
Are you f***ing blind? You can't see me.
I crashed.
You crashed. How are you coming fast? Why are you f***ing coming fast? What is this f***ing car? Why are you coming fast? I just hit. You hit me, and I just hit the car with my head. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Well, gentlemen, we want to thank you for the debate, and it's been very good, very vigorous.
Ask me nicely. Don't yell at me. I'm not